So, hi friends, I'm AJ.
Hi, this is Rachi.
So, how about a visit to the forest away from the hustle and bustle of the city?
Let us walk on the trail, collect stones and pebbles, and listen to the gushing of the waterfalls.
Isn't it amazing to have a day with the goldfish, quacking ducks, the furry bunny, and see the flight of a peacock from the thicket?
Let us revisit our childhood, the age of innocence, wonder, and above all, adventure. So, embarking on a weekend getaway to the treehouse, Sayari Valley, Jaipur.
So, guys, do like, subscribe, and share to our channel. आज हम जिस रिजॉर्ट के बारे में आपसे बात कर रहे हैं वो किसी रेन फॉरेस्ट से कम नहीं लगता और वो है द ट्री हाउस रिजॉर्ट। यह संपत्ति जयपुर शहर से लगभग 45 किलोमीटर दूर है और शहर के सन्नाटे के बीच स्थित एक प्रकृति की आवाज है। ट्री हाउस रिजॉर्ट खूबसूरती और मैजिक के समामेलन की एक अद्भुत संरचना है। ये सिरी घाटी में स्थित है जो अरावली पर्वतमाला के कोकून में है। यह एक अद्भुत दृश्य और शानदार लग्जरी इको रिट्रीट है।
The property is in two sections, the treehouse and the waterhouse. The treehouse room or suites are perched like a bird's nest atop a tree. The structure embraces the limbs of the tree or trees while some of its branches are meandering through it, making it in sync with nature. The overwater cottages of the Maldives have inspired the other sections. Hence, it is either built on a water body or facing a water body with vistas of waterfalls or fountains.
हमारा कमरा एक लुभावनी जादुई रूप के एक राजा के आकार की कैनोपी के समान था। कमरे के एक हिस्से में ग्लास का फर्श था जिसे नीचे के पानी को और उसे जुड़ी मेरीन लाइफ को एज सी थ्रू देखा जा सकता था। As for the morning cup of tea, a private outdoor area with romantic wrought iron table chairs set is placed beneath a canopy. The rooms are equipped with heaters for the cool desert nights and air conditioners for sultry summertime. It also has a coffee tea making facility and a mini refrigerator and a locker. Some rooms also have an extra private pretty outdoor showering enclosure.
It felt like I revisited my childhood, the age of innocence, wonder, and above all, adventure. I walked through a forest trail, collected stones and pebbles, stopped by to listen to the gushing of the waterfalls, and watch the flaming orange fish, perhaps known as Catalina goldfish, swimming in the various petty water bodies. The artistic or innovative dining areas again offer a dual delectable culinary delight. For indoor experience, the Machan serves Indian, Chinese, and European food. The outdoor dining blow-on with the stage area offers a picnic in the forest experience. The resort resonates the lines by Shakespeare. The earth has music for those who listen. And Matthew's lines, there are always flowers for those who want to see them. I will revisit my childhood because the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and minds to go before I sleep. The Peacock Bar offers local and imported spirits in a regal and old-world antique setting ambience. Room service is also available.
Mr. Mukesh, the GM of the hotel, also regularly interacted with us to ensure our comfort and assist us with anything that we might need, whilst not skipping even minor details. He surprised us with a beautiful anniversary cake. एक्टिविटीज़ एंड एंटरटेनमेंट गैलरी में एक टेनिस कोर्ट, फिटनेस सेंटर, आर्चरी, क्रिकेट, स्पा, पूल टेबल, साइकिलिंग, आउटडोर पूल, डर्ट बाइक और ऊंट की सवारी अन्य मुख्य आकर्षण के केंद्र हैं। जैसे कि हम आसपास की क्षेत्र का पता लगाना चाहते थे, होटल के कर्मचारी हमें जंगल के ड्राइव में ले गए।
PS. Complete detailed pandemic preventive safety measures and sanitization procedure is carried out from providing masks, sanitizers to sanitizing your vehicle and room.